Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zainuddin, and today I'm going to presenting my project, which is remote control or Skimmer. So this is our team. Me, myself, Muhammad Zainuddin, are going to design and fabricate this project and make it to the reality. And my supervisor, TS Ahmed Azli Rizali, every decision that I make will go through him first and make sure he's satisfied and agree with all the decision that I'm going to use for this project. Obviously, will hazardous to our environment, whether they happen in industry or maritime accident or while being transported. When the accident happen, it can cause a collision, damage the aquatic life, and also costing a lot of money. To minimize all of this effect, a quick and efficient way of cleaning method were needed, and the oil skimmer were crucial for this process. They were at the front line, cleaning the oil spill by separating them from the water. The objective for this project is to design an oil skimmer system that can attach to a floating vessel. The second one is to fabricate a floating vessel that can accommodate an oil skimmer system. And the last one is to make a portable, small-sized oil skimmer system that can reach a remote, confined, and isolated place. For the problem statement, in 2022, about 15,000 metric tons of oil spill from the tankers were happened globally, but in 2018, a much bigger oil spill, which is 116 tons, 1,000 metric tons were leaked. The second one is the oil spill can contaminate the waterways, making it harder for plants, animals, and ecosystem to survive, and they also can have a long-term consequence. And the third one is there is not a lot of option for oil cleaning method at the remote area. The job scope is to create an oil skimmer system that can operate on a floating vessel and store on it. The second one is to make everything were remotely controlled, and the third one is to test the functionality of the new oil skimming system on a floating vessel. The limitation of this project will be a distance, which is the remote control oil skimmer cannot be too far away from the operator. If not, it will cut the communication between operator and vessel. The second one is the rough water condition. If the condition were too rough, the oil skimmer cannot collect the oil spill efficiently. And the last one is the limited holding tank capacity. Because the vessel is unable to carry a large tank, it must be emptied quite frequently. The methodology for this project is the first one is identifying the problem. The oil spill recovery team takes a lot of time to make a preparation, and a lot of manpower were needed. And the second one is the method of oil skimmer. Deciding on what type of oil skimmer that can fit on a floating vessel. Third one is type of floating vessel to make sure the floating vessel have a wide base and also can accommodate an oil skimming system, tank, and also the electronic on board. The fourth one is remote control system. Fitting a remote control system to avoiding a direct contact between human and also the oil spill. This is the diagram of remote control skimmer. At the very front, we have the oil track to catch the contaminated water with the oil, and inside the oil track, we have the water pump to pump the contaminated water into the oil skimmer. And in the middle, we have the oil skimming system to separate oil and water, and also attached to the oil skimming system, there is a water outlet to take out the excess water from the system. And at the very back, we have the holding tank to hold the oil that has been separated. And that is a quick brief about my project, which is remote control oil skimmer. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.